Hey guys, it's James here. Wanted to talk to you guys about um, an opportunity here for the Automower. So right now you hear a plane flying over, so I can't do any drone footage due to being in close proximity to an airport. But what I want to show you here is that you look on my shoulder here, you'll see an Automower. This is the 550, and the 550 has been mowing a corporate campus area for the last 2 years. So if you look over my shoulder, this entire green space has been maintained by Husqvarna Automower. If you look over in the distance, you'll see people actually sitting out there eating lunch. They typically have it run at night, just so that it's not a distraction to some of the people out here, but it can run during the day if it wanted to. This is actually maintained on maintaining zoysia, which at one point was mowed with a traditional gas-powered reel mower. If you look at the far end down here, you'll see that's actually a break area or a cafe on campus. You have buildings all around us here that's being maintained. And then if you look over my shoulder here as I'm turning and panning, here you have a workout area. So, if you're a green space professional, or you're a HOA or a property manager or corporate campus manager, facility manager, the Automower is a game changer. It should be something you implement around healthy workplace, healthy work environment. So you're still being mowed out here traditionally along the outer edge of the property, but everything in here is actually mowed 100% by a robotic lawnmower. So just want to kind of show you this here, show you kind of the opportunities that exist. Obviously from an aeration and water usage, it's really not been an issue at all. The mower sits outside of the mowable area so that it creates a good environment for anyone who wants to sit out here during the day and want to throw a frisbee, whatever they want to do, is right here. Obviously, the landscaping crew is still edging the outer perimeter of the property, keeping a good clean lawn. So again, this has been installed in the beginning of 2018, and it's been maintaining this for now 2 years. So just want you to take a look at it, guys. Let's talk.